Bunch from Laurel Heights, and I'm so glad to be able to give you an update about life here in Jamaica and what we've been doing to help the folks who have been devastated really by Hurricane Melissa back in October of last year. You can see the beautiful Pacific behind me. It is not one of those backgrounds that you can put on your camera. That's the real thing. And there's a pelican back here behind me too, and hopefully he won't come up and peck the back of my head. This is a third world country, or what's known as a developing country, and so the folks don't have resources, and the amount of damage that has been done here is just tremendous. It's heartbreaking, it's gut-wrenching. As we drive through the town, we're in Montego Bay, to get to our website, or to our websites, to our work sites, we have to go by so many houses. There's scarcely any place you can go in this city without seeing people with no roofs. They either have tarps or nothing at all covering up their homes. The home of the First Lady that we worked on, which was Monday, she is blind, and she was in charge of her two, I believe they were grandchildren. I don't think they were her children. I think they were her grandchildren, but they were very young. And during the hurricane, she hovered over them in the middle of their floor, and I would say living room floor, but their living room is also their kitchen and their dining room and their bedroom. It's literally a one-room house that she lives in. And so as she was hovering over the children to protect them, she could hear this pop, 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 and the roof was coming off. The nails and the screws that were holding it down were blowing away. And then all of a sudden she felt this gush of water on her. And, can you imagine being blind and having to wonder what's going on and what do I do now? And yet, nobody from our group heard her complain once. She was very grateful for what she had, even though she lost pretty much everything inside her house, as well as the roof. And her little 4-year-old granddaughter started singing to a couple of our crew members when her grandmother was telling the story. As soon as she got done, the little girl started singing, "Bless the Lord, oh my soul." Just tremendous. The people here are so gracious and so thankful for everything that they have. And this house that she lived in had plywood walls. We build our sheds better in the United States than this house was, but it was hers. She owned it, and she was very, very proud to have that house. Second place that we worked on was a little bigger. It was a little better built, but the roof was gone or badly damaged, except for one corner of the house, which was where he had been living since October, because it was the only place that had a roof over it and a wall that would keep other rain and storm winds and so forth from blowing in. And to see him when we first arrived at his house, wondering, what are these people going to do? How are they going to be able to get this done? By the end of the first day, he was standing back at the curb, looking at his house, and just had the biggest glowing grin you can ever imagine. Truly amazing. Again, he was grateful for what he had, not complaining about what he did not have. And we're putting zinc, which is a very thin metal roof, back on these homes, and that's primarily what they use here. And we haven't done any inside kinds of work. We're just trying to get roofs over their heads so that they can do the inside work, and without having it re-damaged should weather come by. So at any rate, I will tell you a little more about Jamaica on the next video, which may come out sooner than later. I hope so. I actually recorded a video yesterday. Did not check my phone settings first. We were out on the job site and I had a chance to go over and so you could see exactly what the living conditions were. And because I didn't check the phone settings, I did not have the microphone on, and so just me and my lips going. I thought about overdubbing it. Could have had a good time, but decided no, I'll just re-record. And so, any rate, covet your prayers. We got one more week to go, and a group from Virginia is coming down this next week. The group is coming down actually tomorrow. They should be arriving. The group from North Carolina left. All of those folks are gone. They went this morning at between 11 and 1 o'clock. They left. So, any rate, take care. Many blessings. Pray for the folks here and pray for our team this week as we go to work, that we will be able to accomplish much and glorify God in the process. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.